Okay, I am super excited about this lesson. I know I say that about every lesson, but this is really super fun because it includes images, yay, pictures, and that is really an enormous, if not the biggest part of being online. One of the biggest parts of being online is the ability to see pictures and share pictures and see videos and share videos and make videos. I mean, who doesn't love that, right? Even the very youngest of us can take a picture and is interested in pictures. And so this is a huge part of being online. Okay, so I tell all of my students and all of my teachers to start from Google. So I went up here and I typed in www.google.com. If you do not start from Google, and you go right into your search bar and you type an address that you're trying to get to, it may turn out to be a bad address. So it may take you to a place that you don't want to go, to things that you don't want to see. So a way to avoid that is to always start out at Google. Okay. The first thing that I want us to do is to go to LunaPic. So it's LUNAPIC, LunaPic. And I hit enter on my keyboard and I see lots of different options right away. So I know that I'm in the right spot. Lunapic.com, the free online photo editor. Okay, so let's go ahead and click that. And right now, LunaPic, what it's going to do for us is it's going to, it can take your picture and it can do all kinds of things to it. It can make effects and art and filters and borders, and you can draw on it. What we want to do is we want to use it to host or to put a picture and keep a picture for us online. So right now, all of our pictures either live in our phones or on our computers. And that's fine. But what if we want to make a web page with that awesome picture? And we want to share our awesome picture with the world. Well, we need it to live online. Okay. So let's go ahead and we'll do edit a photo, upload. Let's go ahead and click on that. And let's go and let's pick a picture, and we're going to then put that picture so it lives online. Okay. So let's pick, I have a horse picture that's really great. So I clicked on it. And these are just pictures that I found on my computer, right? So I could click on this horse picture. I could go here to my desktop. I could pick a picture from my desktop, all kinds of pictures here. I can pick, oh, look, there's me. Oh, heavens to Betsy. There's a Snapchat logo. I could pick any of these so they could live online. But I want to pick, where's my picture of Minka? Oh, there's a picture of my cat, Comet. Let's go ahead and pick. Should we pick Comet or should we pick Minka? Cat or dog? Cat or dog? Let's pick Comet. The cat won. We'll do Minka next. Now, if you follow these steps, I bet you're already thinking ahead. Ooh, could I put my own picture up there? Absolutely. This is a great time to experiment. So take a picture of your cat, your dog, your bird. Take a picture of your favorite book. Take a picture of your TV. Take a picture of your favorite games. Take a picture of, your favorite flowers, your favorite coat, your favorite, anything you can think of, right, that's appropriate, and you can put it on your web page. Okay, so I uploaded this picture of Comet, our cat, and oh, isn't he so cute? All right, so he still doesn't live online. This picture still just lives on my computer here in my house. So I want it to go ahead and live online. So I go to File, Host at Imgur. So Imgur is a place that it's a company that saves all kinds of different picture files. All right. So now Imgur image hosting codes. So it gives us all kinds of codes here in gobbledygook. And what it's saying is, hey, congratulations, you can save your picture for free with us on our website. So I want to go down here and I want to hit save. And it's made a little download for me right there on my computer. I'm not super interested in that because I already have Comet's picture on my computer. What I am interested in is this image right here, image URL. That means at Imgur, our picture, and I can tell it's a picture because it has PNG on it, and that's a picture file image name. This picture now lives online on Imgur. So I can make a website and I can call up this picture. I can point to it. And everyone across the world, if they go to my webpage, will be able to see my beautiful picture of Comet. Okay, so let's go to CodePen next. So remember, we start at Google, just so we don't go anywhere that we don't want to go. And I go to code, C-O-D-E, pen.io. And there we are. There's one of my very favorite sites in the whole world, CodePen, build, test, discover front-end code. Fabulous. Click on that. Now I'm already logged in. If you're not, and I know I'm logged in because I see a picture of my little avatar right here. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in. If you are, go ahead and click my avatar here and click New Pen. Awesome. Okay, now, so we want to go ahead and use our the same basic code, HTML code that we've used in the last several videos, and that is open bracket, exclamation point, doc, type, space, HTML, open bracket, HTML, open bracket, head, open bracket, title, close bracket. And this title, let's go ahead and call this My Web Page with Pictures. And then I want to go ahead and close my title right here. So open bracket, / title, close bracket. Okay. Now I want to go ahead and close my head tag, and that means open bracket, / head. So I closed that one and that one. They match, matchy. Now, right here is where I want to do my body. And remember, everything in my body is where people can see, my users and my readers can see what is in my body, which is down here in real time. So the first thing I want to do is I want to give this a nice header, and I want to say, this is a picture of our cat, Comet. And then I end my H1 tag. Okay, fabulous. And I see it right down here in real time. So this is what my readers would see if they opened up my web page. And let's do a paragraph here. So a P tag, and I say, welcome to my web page about cats. And then I end my P tag. And you can tell that this H1, without any styling right here in our CSS, the H1 is coming up bigger and bolder than our paragraph. And remember, when people Google things, they Google searches your H1s automatically. Fabulous. Now let's go ahead, and this is the part of the lesson where we are going to put in a new tag, and that is our IMG, or our image source, SRC tag, equals quotes. And I only put in one quote, but CodePen is so awesome, it gives me 2. So now I have my IMG SRC, so my image tag right here equals, and then I want to go right here to LunaPic, my new best friend, and I want to highlight image URL, because this is where my picture of Comet lives. And I highlight it, and I hit Control-C on my keyboard, or I highlight it, and I right-click, and I hit Copy. I go right here, and I do Control-V. And there's Comet. Fabulous. It's already working. Yay, 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 yay. And now, so I've told it, okay, hey, this is where my picture is. Point to this picture. The next thing I want to do is I want to make an alt equals quote. And my alt is just in case this picture link is broken, or this is for any of our friends out there who are visually impaired, or if I am just, I have a lot of different images and I want to make sure that I am creating a good title for each of my images and I'm keeping organized, I can go ahead and make this alt, and I will understand then if the web page is just trying to display this picture and it's not there, it will say this alternative or alt message. So I want to make this message really super clear to myself, to any coders that might be coming after me and diving into this code, and to anybody who might be reading the alt message. I don't want to just put cat. I want to put something descriptive. So Comet the cat looking ahead with a pink background. Okay, that's pretty darn descriptive. And then I want to go ahead. Okay, so I have my alt, and I think it's a pretty good alt. Alt equals, quotes, Comet the cat looking ahead with a pink background. Okay, fantastic. Now let's end my bracket right there. So I have an end bracket. And now I want to go ahead and I want to end my body tag. So open bracket / body, and then end my HTML tag. So open bracket / HTML. And that is my gorgeous picture of Comet the cat. Yay! Now, how can you follow these steps and put a picture of your favorite animal, put a picture of something in your room, put a picture of something in your living room, put a picture of your favorite athlete, your favorite food? How can you replicate these steps and put a picture right here? Okay, send me a screenshot. You can do this. I've given you all the steps. Awesome. Let's not forget to go up here and do, I think this is number 3, code card challenge. Okay. Settings. Okay, so there's my pen title right there. And this pen is an experiment with the image tag. Yeah, it's awesome. And I save and close it. So now this is in my dashboard forever and ever. Save it. I give it a little, let's give it a little love here. Save it. And then when I go to my dashboard, there it is. Yay. Love it. Okay, come back soon.